Germany and Poland are nearing a deal to establish a service center to repair Leopard tanks and other equipment as Ukraine counterattacks Russian forces, Berlin's envoy said. According to a Bloomberg report, the talks are expected to be finalized in the coming days, ahead of the NATO summit in Vilnius on 11 and 12 July. The information was confirmed by Thomas Bagger, the German ambassador to Poland. The hub will be used for resupply of urgently needed spare parts for the German-made equipment, he said. Ukraine is sending the hardware to the battlefield as part of a long-awaited counter-offensive against Russian forces to retake territory. After months of pressure on the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, allies to delivery. Equipment, including Leopard tanks and US Bradley fighting vehicles, have appeared in images from the front line. At least 4 Ukrainian Leopard 2 tanks and 16 Bradley fighting vehicles have been destroyed, damaged or abandoned, said Oryx, and online group cataloging confirmed equipment losses on both sides. Chancellor Olaf Scholz, speaking in Paris on Monday, confirmed that protracted attacks on the hub are nearing conclusion, and that Germany, which has supplied Leopard tanks, Patriot and Iris-T air defense systems, and the Gepard air defense guns, will soon be able to help repair them close to the battlefield. Of course, it is best if the weapon systems move only a short distance outside of Ukraine, be repaired and on the spot, and then be redeployed, Scholz sang alongside Polish President Andrzej Duda and France's Emmanuel Macron. Poland, which also had supplied Leopard tanks to Ukraine, had criticized Germany for months before Scholz gave the green light to start supplying in January. The German supply of spare parts for older models of the Leopard also had been a source of friction between Warsaw and Berlin. Service centers for the tanks have also been set up in Slovakia and Romania.